I was really impressed with the type of skills that they were learning for these activities, and I felt that these are like real world practical skills that you don't really get in a traditional school. And even I remember learning all these skills like research, analysis, problem solving. I learned these when I was a lot older. I really appreciate the feeling of community, and our head of school, Sir Gino, always likes to talk about the meaning of Domuschola is like part of it is home and school collaborating together for the child, and I really see that being put to life here. So when most of the teachers know your child's name or even the staff, and we really work together closely with parents and school for events, it really feels like a family and a community. Allegra was a really shy and clingy toddler back then, and we were worried that if we put her in a traditional school, it would not be a good fit for her. So we did a trial class, and we were very happy with how it turned out. And I didn't have much to worry about because 2 weeks later she was running into the classroom, not even saying goodbye, looking back at her parents, and she's really developed into her own here at Domuschola. Come to the school during open house or enroll or do a trial class, and you really see for yourself. That's really the best way to equip yourself with the knowledge and to make the decision. But definitely come and experience. We chose DIS because it is the best place for our daughter to thrive while pursuing her passion and dreams while developing the skills she needs for her future.